Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Arizona. And this whole process is going to be super fast and easy. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time that you follow along on yours by using the link below. And basically I'm going to show you what to fill out for every single question, what answers to click, and I'm going to show you how to make it as cheap as possible and some options to make things easier and cheaper for you. So there's going to be no guessing. This is going to be very easy to follow along with. So again, click the link in the description below. That way you can follow along with me, and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the Tailor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking Arizona. Now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions. And what stage of your business are you currently in? And then you're going to type in the industry you fall into, or like basically the job category you could consider it. For me, I do eyelash extensions, and you can just see they have so many options, so you'll be able to find something that is either your industry or pretty close. And are you offering a good, a service, or both? And again, another survey if you're going to hire employees. If you change your mind, it's not a big deal. And if you have a financial goal in mind. Okay, so now you're going to use your zip code of your business in Arizona. If you don't have a storefront, you can use your home zip code for this. And are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? Click all that apply here. And today I want you to click LLC and EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So more than likely you will need it within your first year of business. And pretty much this page right here is why I love Tailor Brands. It's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. I'm not super tech savvy. I don't enjoy searching the internet to figure all this stuff out. And I love that it's all right here. It's super convenient. So like if you need a website created, or maybe a logo designed, or I don't know, help with accounting, it's all here. So feel free to click anything else or check this out later. For today, we're just gonna click these two. And this is a survey we could skip. You found Tailor Brands through YouTube. Okay, Tailor Brands is offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this. It's free, and you know, there's no pressure or time frame. You can kind of log in and out as you please. And yeah, if you can learn something that helps you make more money, that's amazing, right? So if you want to skip it, you can. For whatever reason, I always like to join the program. And now you're going to type in your personal information. Okay, again, so to get your EIN number, if you want to do it a little bit cheaper, you can do it through the IRS website. In my opinion, I feel like government websites are very outdated. They're very difficult to navigate, and they stress me out, to be honest. Also keep in mind the IRS website, you can only file Monday through Friday business hours. So if you're trying to do it, you know, after work or on the weekend, you're out of luck. Tailor Brands, you can file it anytime, and it's only $99. For me, it's kind of worth the potential stress and headache from doing it on the IRS website. So I will be paying for that. And as far as assigning a registered agent, okay, registered agent is basically a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Arizona and your business is in Arizona, you will be your own registered agent, and you'll click this one here. Now, if you don't live in Arizona and maybe you're filing an LLC for tax benefits because you live in some other state, then you would need to appoint a registered agent that lives in the state, and Tailor Brands can do that for you. But like I mentioned, most of you guys will be your own agent. And we're sure, yes. Okay, and every single year you need to renew your LLC. And this is no matter what state you live in. If you think you're going to be busy, might forget to renew, Tailor Brands can do it for you for $199 a year. It is a little expensive, but it's still cheaper than the late fees and fines that you're gonna get. So keep that in mind. If you think you'll remember to do it on your own, you can click this option here. Just make sure to set some sort of reminder for yourself every single year that you need to renew it. Okay, a branding toolkit, I'm gonna click no. And to get your LLC in just 2 days from now, it's $49. If you don't want to pay that, you can get it in just 2 weeks and there's no extra cost. Okay, and an operating agreement. Now, if you are working, it's just you and the business, no one else, you do not need an operating agreement. An operating agreement is basically like a set of rules that you'll create to show the ownership and responsibilities of all parties involved. So if you have a partner or maybe a few partners, definitely grab yourself an operating agreement. That way you kind of have set up the ownership and there's no confusion when you get the business started. Okay, and this is a formation kit. Basically, it's a binder with everything you would need to be organized to help you with your taxes, your accounting, your finances, all that good stuff. I told you guys I'd save you some money, so I'm gonna click no, but honestly, it is kind of cool and worth checking out. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. And you guys, Tailor Brands offers 3 different programs that you can sign up for. You can see these ones that are a little more expensive. Some of them create you a website, a domain name, help with taxes, all that stuff. Honestly, it's a pretty good price, including everything that it includes. But today we're just gonna click this light plan for no extra cost. Okay, and here's what we're paying for today. So the Arizona state filing fee is $85, and that's no matter where you file your LLC, it's always gonna be that price. We're also getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying for the 2-day filing fee for our grand total today. Now, within about a week or so, you will then be charged for your EIN number for $99. So don't be surprised when you see that second charge come through. It is correct. That's just the next part of the process. So after you enter your credit card information, again, it's going to ask you what address you want to use. And this is for them to have on file in case they need to contact you about your LLC or anything in regards to your business. So if you have a storefront or a shop, use that. If you don't, I recommend to use your home address. I've always used mine, and I've never had issues with like spam mail or junk or anything like that. But if for some reason you're not comfortable with it, just do a quick Google search on how to get a virtual address, and that works fine as well. But that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC and your EIN number, and I hope this was easy to follow along with. If you have questions, leave them below. That's it for now, and I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.